today we are back in brainrot evolution, guys. I got some new stuff, and I got level
Kikikoka. Kikokeke.
84. This is my dream level, but I have to go to the next world. But I want to go to the next world to unlock the next brainrot. Look at my stats.
Ban,
I
Sahul.
got the band Sahul. I have extra secrets. And I have it.
Oy. Snowmanito bandito.
I never had this before.
Los vaguitas saturnitas dicen mu. Los vaguitas saturnitas dicen mu. Los estantanitos tralaleritos. Gifty nini mananini.
I have two of them.
Ban, Sahul.
I one shot the train. Gusto sa tubo pa tumila. I say it's so fast. Okay. I can't fast read anymore. I have to slowly. No. base of brooks. No pet. I haven't got stick. Pop, 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 the hole. What? Please. Hey. Ooh, not bad. No, but no. Recent releases candy. Modified. Ooh. What sense is this? What you nothing. I don't play this game too much because playing at this brainrots are escape. I think it's called escape brainrots. No. Escape. This is not me. You have to collect brainrots to get money, and you extend money. I have $1 trillion, and I playing fish for brain. No, fishing brainrots. Fishing brainrots. I think has 20,000 players playing right now. And admin abuse, I think have 2,000 players playing to 3,000, I think, on admin. Not bad. Eating the sample. This. beautiful and have beauty. I have beauty. I'll spam. See.
Kiki Coca, Kiko Keke.
My second favorite brainrot. I'm taller than Pop the Hole. What? I see the inside of him. What do you want? Okay, you don't want nothing. I don't want my will. Okay, blank. It's strong like the papaya, the origin in the like. I have that. Not bad, ready, but 3 star roll. No, nah. I haven't traded with these guys. Not the Sammy. It's Sammy, but not the Sammy. Nah. I am almost day 28. What is it? 37 now. Papayan, that's it. Papayan is next to crispy. I need the tag of the papayan. And 3 ton. My favorite brainrots is the Tic Tac and 3 ton and this Kikikoka Kikokeke. Why do I like papayan? Because I like birds. Because I like soft. I like soft and they're so cute, adorable, tiny, tiny. I like 3 ton stuff. Why? What do you want? This? I said only one. No. Yes. Okay. Okay, you missed it. I don't. This is the raw glitch. I will show you the fun raw glitch. Go to
Bamble clap, croco clap.
yes, this one. If you don't have this, that you keep learning, and I don't know. You have to get to level this level. I think it's level 77. And then you have to get to the level 78, not 77. And go to this spot and move side, left and right, and attack. Don't get close to the index because that you don't have to attack It's real like look, I glitch. This look at the out of the map.
Kikikoka. Kikokeke.
Okay. You miss. Oh, okay. Look at his thing. Papa me. Ah! Look at his teeth. Like a bird. No rebirths. Papaya, Arishini. Papaya, Arishini.
Oy, oy, oy! Snowmanito bandito?
I'm so I didn't get the tweet on. I need them. Beep, bye. Okay, I told you.
Kiki Kaka. Kiko Keke.
Listen to the Roblox guy. I think in a few moments I will show you the fishing for brainrots fishing the fishing brainrots game in a few moments, guys. Let me show you the new fishing secrets. Din dan. You need the nightmare, you need the Los Alessios and the Bellini. Bellini is the easiest, but Los Alessios, it happens every 1 hour. It's 175% chance to get it happening. So it's rare, a bit rare, okay. Rather than the ring. So if you get lucky, you will get this weather in your server, and you will have to go to different rooms and attack the monsters with the soccer ball things. Those are the soccer balls. Next, Nightmare Yoni, you have to get three of these secrets. Yoni cannoli. I need to get cannoli. The Garfield Core. I don't play this game much, so I unmade it too. Wow. I need the papayoni and the Tic Tac and that's all. But I have Kiko Kekes. This. I hate the multiply trade this. Oh, Dojo. Good. I don't know, but not because I have this OP very big. Gender B, let's look for a high level. For blah blah. No. Gender B. I don't know. No. Dosen. Good dosen. Is this Chiquitera? I will show you the brainrot fishing game. Okay. Sorry, it's called my fishing brainrots. Look, wow, 4 trillion. Okay, wait. I move. Okay. 4 trillion. 4 trillion. 8 trillion. Wow. So good. Exotic.
Exoxicola.
Upgrade. I forgot to show my stuff. Okay. First floor. La Grande. And the admin. You have to get it by admin abuse. And a mythic. One mythic. Skibo Boy is based on Skibby Toilet. And 6-7. Ooh, so good. And Oakley. This is my plot. Look, it had my profile. And another Skibo Boy. Tic Tac Sour. Oh, good. Tic Tac good. Another 6-7 and another Okini. Second floor. Joe Poke. Tic Tac Sour. Another one. La Grande combination. Let's upgrade. Chop Sour. Alavaka, Satunita, Akrilo, but Melody, Kinori, and Melody, Exoxicura. Why is had a star? Because I ranked the Exoxicura. Third floor. Look, the Exox, another Exox. Am I in the third floor or I forgot? First floor. I forgot to show you Smurf pets. Third floor. A Successful, another one. Tic Tac Sour. A diamond, a frozen Tic Tac Sour. A diamond Tic Tac Sour. A Kirori Road. A Tic Tac Sour. Smurf cat, another Smurf cat, Kiloli, Loli. I have so many killers. And Tic Tacs, Sakura, Tic Tacs, a Grande combination. Okay, final floor. Not good stuff because I rebirth now. I need Mateo. Joe Poke, Akari. Let me spawn eggs. But I'm making a part to see you guys. Bye.